through the beginning again. See how much of it can we remember. I'm going to try the whole thing nice and slow. Because again, I won't be able to get that to full speed just yet. It's a lovely wee tune. I think I really like it. Never heard it until today. That's my first time. Let's try that again. See if that's coming through. I have to go back and check my. Oh, I have to play that in the proper key at some time. I'll know what it is. Maybe go down. Oh, good. There you go. It's actually coming out. Hello, da 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 bum bum. That's what I'm trying. I'm watching back over my feed to see where chord I put in. There was a chord that I put in, I can't remember. Okay, let's see, does that do the first half any justice? Let's have a wee listen. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, it's that point there. Yeah, it's that little part that I forgot. Let me see if I can show you guys. This little part here. I think I've messed that up. Let me just hear that again. So done. Okay, yeah, I will get it, but I think I've got all the ideas. Just as your man, who was it that said all the right notes, just not in the right order?